So, you want to make stickers on WhatsApp? I got you. Well, I use this application which is called Sticker Maker, which you can find on Play Store. Just gonna type the name and you're gonna find it. This is this icon. So we're gonna click on create new sticker pack and name it. So we created a new one. You're gonna click on one of the big icons, then let's say take a picture or open from gallery. So here we took a picture, and you have the smart select, which will select the object on its own, and you can click on select all. You can shape with your hand, or you can do a square cut, or you can do a circle, and the polygon, which is you put the points. So let's say we click on select all. If you want to adjust anything like drawing or typing any text, you can do it in this part. So we're gonna click on save sticker after we added everything. Gonna click to add to WhatsApp. It's gonna take a bit for it to save. Like you can see, now it's added. I can send it normally, and that's it.